Small food storage container ideal for packing nuts, candies, sauces, and more. Screw-top lids help keep food fresher for longer. 100% virgin plastic, BPA and phthalate-free. Compact, stackable design for efficient storage. Dishwasher-safe on the top rack. Microwave-safe without lid. Fridge and freezer-safe. Add snacks and sauces to your packed lunches with ease using Sistema to-go collection mini bites food storage containers. A perfect food storage solution for busy, on-the-go lifestyles, these small yet versatile plastic containers can accommodate nuts, dried fruit, candies, dressings, sauces, and a variety of other food items. Each container comes equipped with a screw-top lid to help keep food fresher for longer. Crafted from BPA and phthalate-free plastic, the containers are dishwasher-safe when placed on the top rack, microwave-safe without the lids, and safe for storing in fridges and freezers. And thanks to their compact footprint and stackable design, they help save space in your fridge, cupboard, or lunchbox. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for packing lunches. I have used these little containers for years to pack lunches for my kids since they were preschool age. They do not leak, if closed correctly, are a nice size for lunchboxes, very durable, dishwasher safe, and easy enough for little hands to easily open, and close back up. This was crucial at first, because traditional peel-off to open and press in the middle to close plastic containers would cause contents to spill and frustration when my children were very young. My children are big kids now and can handle it, but still use these containers daily. So much that finally after a decade, bought another set. We have the sandwich boxes as well. Highly recommend containers by this brand.